Okay, we're now going to calculate the volume of a cylinder such as the old soup can. Hopefully you watched the other video that was calculating the area, surface area of a cylinder. We use the same soup can. And let's figure this out again. So let's just make up these distances here. Let's remember that we need to put in, let's make it purple so we can see a little bit easier here. Make it a little bit thicker. And we need the distance here, which remember, if you imagine it from the center all the way around the soup can, it's the same distance. That is called the radius. And the radius, let's say here, is 5 centimeters. And let's say the height of this is 10 centimeters. I like to pick nice, easy numbers to work with here that aren't too complicated because you're trying to remember the formula, trying to figure out how things to do. Hopefully your teacher lets you write it down because math, you should be able to write down the formula and use them in tests. I strongly believe that. You should be able to refer to that. In the real world, people look it up and they remember the formula. Okay, the formula here is volume is pi times r squared times height. And notice I put an uppercase H because that means the vertical height going up. You can also write that down as this: pi times r squared times height. So if we go and start filling in the numbers here, volume is 3.14 because that's pi times radius squared. Here's the radius. Squared would be 25. Hopefully you just saw what I did there. 5 times 5 is 25. Times height is 10. And then we just do the math here. Volume equals 3.14 times 25. I'm going to get my trusty calculator out here as we speak. Try and delay. I'm going to do this on my phone. You can always use a calculator here. 3.14 times 25 is 78.5. But you've still got to do the times 10 part. So volume, you can just do this, move the decimal over one, it's going to be 785 would be your answer. And it would be centimeters cubed because it's volume, how much fits in it. So the answer to this is right there. The volume of this soup can is 785 centimeters cubed. Bam, you can do this.